How to repost an Instagram reel on your feed. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can repost an Instagram reel on your profile. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up Instagram and get to your reel section. So here is a reel that I want to repost, so I'm just going to repost this one. The first option is to actually tap on this airplane icon to add this to your story. But if you don't want that and you want to directly post this on your profile, then what you need to do is go back and then tap on the three dots of the reel. Here you will see the remix option. So you will just have to remix the reel with something else. So you'll have to add anything to the reel. If you try to tap next, here you have to add a clip, text, or sticker. So I'm just going to add a small text. So I'm just going to add a dot, tap on done. And now once you have done that, you can move it to the side like this where no one sees it. Tap on next. And now you will be able to share this on your Instagram profile. So tap on share and wait for it to download. Then it will be posted like this on your profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.